Good morning, Kigali, Rwanda. It's an honor to be here in one of Africa's fastest growing innovation hubs. My name is Alexander Murad and I'm on a mission across the world, the AI or Die Tour, to show that AI belongs to everyone, no matter your background, your budget or your location. We are still struggling with our visas and still not sure on how we will get to Nigeria, but our main focus right now is Rwanda. And spoiler alert, of all the countries I've visited in my lifetime, after this trip, Rwanda is ranked number 2. So let's go. Okay guys, we're just gonna check in at the Gorilla Golf Hotel. We just entered in Rwanda, so let's see and check out how the room will be and everything. Hey man. Hi.
Most welcome.
Thank you.
How was your trip?
It was good. It was good. It was a short trip. We went from Tanzania. Yeah, we're in Rwanda, we're kicking it off. We're starting with Norrsken and then we're doing ALX. English.
Oh, sorry. My bad.
Sorry.
I know you're at the hospital. Can I take a photo with you?
Yes, sure. I can say Je m'appelle Alexander.
Okay.
that's my salut.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah. So, hey man. Are you good? Peter.
Can I
Yeah?
get a picture?
Yes, of course. Perfect, man.
Thank you so much.
I love your shades. They're nice, yeah. Okay, so we're in Rwanda and we're about to do our first show at Norrsken. Let's go. Hello. Hey, man. Yeah, welcome. It's right in there. Yeah.
Please let's welcome ALX Rwanda.
Thank you. But I truly believe that the title in itself kind of holds true meaning. You know, you still have to go there to get a dictionary and learn a new language and stuff like that. And then we move to content. Like now it's easy because I quit my job and I have no business. So I'm literally just doing tour. And so that's why also my content game has stepped up a lot and my activation on social. This is what I'm trying to focus on. So someone should focus on like the premium segment, like those who are already really good tech people, how make an AI that makes it easier for them and saves them time, right?
She said the contact he got yesterday was her boss. And he's like, look, if you give me 150,000 naira, it's like 92 bucks, I can get both visas for like today.
Okay.
Like done today, like 100%.
Like the boss said that?
Yeah.
So now he's bribing?
Well, I think it's more for the application.
Okay.
Because he has to reapply.
So we get a receipt?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
So, but I was like, oh my, let me call you with Murad so that he can, like, I'm like, just to certify that it's guaranteed.
Alex, thank you so much.
Thank you, man.
Really appreciate this. Yeah, so sorry, we started a bit late. And
No, that's okay. I've been touring Africa. I know nothing starts on time. We are good.
Thank you. Thanks, Martin.
Table for 2 at the window if possible. Yeah.
The menu.
Thank you so much. Tell them to bring out the ocean. Imagine when I'd be like, hey, I'll take some Rwandan Kendrick Lamar bouquets. Like, what do you mean? I mean the goat. And they're like, oh, you mean Ronaldo? Okay, it's good enough. Okay, so we're trying a peach mango iced tea like this. It looks like the delivery is cool. I like it. Oh, it was very sweet. It was a bit too sweet. But I also like a good sweet. It was like peachy sweet. I like it. So we got like a Rwandan fish taco. So we get the lime right here. We'll do like a little bit like this. This bread looks so, look at this. Some guacamole, some tomatoes, some beans, some fish. So let's try it. Oh, damn. Oh, this was a 10. Is this Rwandan fish taco? Like, this is how they eat fish taco in Rwanda? I'm never eating fish taco in another way.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Just looking at it quickly, I'd say that I was expecting more meat. The fries looks good. The sauce. Oh, she was right, it's good. So let's try this. That was good. So this is Rwandan goat bruschetta. I like that. If it doesn't work, because I have the visa, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go there and beat the shit out of him physically, just so he knows.
Please record it. Martin, you have to go.
So let him say how to pay. But can't just pay that guy immediately? Like who's ever supposed to pay?
Oi.
Like all his cellmates will be like, hey. There's no way it was 75 from 93.
No. 75,000. Like it was 150 naira. So like 92 or 93 divided by 2.
And I think it's just.
Are you here for the ALX show?
Yeah.
You here to listen to it?
Cool, man.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Martin.
Martin, nice to meet you. Welcome to ALX Rwanda. So this is the ALX team.
Cool. So what does ALX do?
So ALX, shortly put, we're an institution created to transform Africa by creating future leaders, in this case ethical and entrepreneurial, by providing them with tech training skills that are relevant to the 21st century. And then they get great jobs.
That's why.
Which is why I said you need to collaborate with us.
So literally change the ALX to ALX, and it's literally what I've been doing the last years. Like I've been traveling to Zimbabwe, Namibia, Botswana, South Africa, Ethiopia, Kenya, Zanzibar, Tanzania, and now I'm here and I'm going to Nigeria. We've been struggling with getting visas to Nigeria, and everyone's trying to rob me with bribery. They're like, you have to bribe. If you bribe me, like I've paid like four. Like literally, like I think I've paid like $400 and not received anything so far. Hopefully, I will be able to enter Nigeria on Sunday, but there's still some issues with the visa and the questions that you guys have, and the problems and the structures. Like I'm actually incorporating that. Like applauding is like not as equally cool as like, yeah, let's do like this, yeah. So I kind of feel like a YouTube trailer beats that experience. You're cannibalizing. Who would buy an iPod if we have an iPhone? So if you have a shoot and you're like, damn, we forgot to take a picture of her standing next to the bed, done. If you have a scene, you'll be like, oh, it would be so great if we have when she walks up and then we can put some text on it. Done. Like it changes a lot on how we will create videos in the future. Plasma screen is full plasma, bro. And now you watch what? Cassette. Yeah. Everything was like so crazy when it was new, and now we watch a DVD. We're like, why is it so pixelated? Did I used to watch movies like that? Like, isn't it crazy? Like, it was so smooth. I remember it. It used to be so smooth, but now the quality is so low. And once again, thank you. Thanks, man. Yeah. Appreciate it.
All right, let me take one with you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Likewise.
It sounds very sure. Because you were saying mine was in a portal, Martin's was in a different one. So they had to do.
What's up, guys?
Hey, how are you?
It's good. You're making TikToks? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So okay, we are at the convention center. AI told us the next mission is to watch that convention center light up. What's up, bro? Can we have pictures with you? Yeah, sure. It's $5 per picture. Yeah, no, that's good. Are we doing this? Steve Jobs, yeah, let's go. To me now, you have to teach me one of your TikTok dances you're making.
The dancer now.
Yeah?
This one. Go with the dancer.
So okay, show me. What you doing?
You know piano?
No, I know this. I know the music. Yeah. But I don't know any of the moves. Okay, how you doing? You do it again. Just slowly. Okay, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, oh. This. Okay. So like this. Cross.
Yeah. Then go back.
And then we go back.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Macarena.
2, let's go.
1, 2. How did you do that? Wait. Let me see you do 1, 2, and then you do like this.
This side.
And this side.
Again, up.
Up,
This side.
up, and this side. Okay, so it's 1, 2, it's up, this side, up, this side,
And up.
up, 1, 2, up, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, up, up.
Let's go.
Oh, what you doing this? 6, 7, 8. That's fine, man. Thank you all for watching, and I can't stress it enough. Damn, I wish we had more days here in Rwanda. We barely landed before we had to take off. Next week, you'll get to see when AI decides our stay in Nigeria. Make sure to subscribe, and as always, stay bright.